Everyone, this is Joel from Melapress, and in this video, we're going to be looking at how you can configure security questions for your WordPress users. We'll be using the premium edition of Melapress Login Security, which is a plugin that's developed in-house at Melapress that enables you to implement login and password policies for your WordPress users. So with the plugin already installed, we're going to navigate to Login Security Policies. Make sure that Enable Login Security Policies is enabled. And then we're going to scroll down to Security Questions. First, we need to activate Security Questions. And then we need to choose when we're going to request that the user answers security questions. We have two options. We can require security question to initiate a password reset. We're going to enable that option, and require security questions to enable a disabled account. And we're going to enable that option as well. Next option tells us users must have at least so many pre-saved questions and answers. So once this option is enabled, users will get a notification on their dashboard to basically set their security questions. They will need to provide the answers so that when any of these actions are undertaken, they will need to provide the correct answer. So we're going to leave it at 3. And here we have the preset security questions, which are: what was your childhood nickname? What was your place of birth? In which city did you meet your spouse or partner? What was the name of your childhood pet? And where did you go for holiday as a child? We can remove any of these by clicking on Disable. So for example, let's remove this one. And we can add our own question. How old were you when you got your first car, for example? And we're going to add that question. That is enabled. We scroll all the way down and click on Save Changes. And that is how you configure security questions on WordPress websites.